Helicopter. What you want to be able to do is be able to sit in this position comfortably, in this 0.0 position or bunny hop position. You're going to choose one leg to go straight. Right leg here, you're going to swing it in this manner. Once it comes across your body, you're going to lean forward. You're then going to hop up and then sit back on this leg. So the movement will look like this. I know it's fairly fast, but for the sake of just showing you what the movement looks like, this is the movement. You do not want your momentum to get too much to the point where you're imbalanced, your body is being thrown. You kind of always want to be sitting up in this posture, and you are coming back. It's okay if your leg hits, eventually you do not want to do